Hello everyone, this is Karen from Sinorides, and now I'm in our children rides factory. It's our workshop. Today I'd like to introduce you several new design rides. Okay, let's go. Yeah, this ride is named Double Self-Control Plane. Yeah, this ride is small pendulum, can seat 6 persons, and there are several lights on the column. Yeah, this is also a self-control plane, but it's different from classic self-control plane. You can ride the bike to control the rise and down. Okay, follow me. Yeah, this is a big carousel. Yeah, this is also a new design. It's a dinosaur theme named the Dinosaur Roller Coaster. This is a flying car. And there are several lights on the surface. Yeah, this is also a children's ride, and it's very popular, and named Space Free Ball. Okay, let's go inside. And there is a track train inside, and when it's running, there are several balls. We can catch the balls. So you can enjoy your time with your kids, friends, and your family. Yes, all of these rides are in stock, and there is a big promotion, but one set only per ride. So if you are interested, contact me. See you!